Parliament will not investigate Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane's fitness to hold office. Despite a last-ditch attempt by opposition parties, the ANC voted in favour of a Justice Committee report, saying there was no basis for this. Most opposition MPs, however, called for an inquiry which would look into removal proceedings of Mkhwebane.
It was the DA who first approached the Speaker following Busisiwe Mkhwebane's handling of the Absa Bancorp matter. Earlier this year, the North Gauteng High Court said Mkhwebane had overstepped her mark when dealing with that debacle. But the Justice Committee, with its ANC majority, voted against an inquiry into her capacity. Opposition parties have again called Mkhwebane's independence into question.
They want her because she consults with the President and then amends her reports to accommodate him. They want her because she consults with state security before releasing her reports. She's a public protector who has not the slightest grasp of what it means to be independent and to be impartial and to conduct her functions without fear, favour or prejudice.
Busisiwe Mkhwebane represents none of these values. She has little integrity left. She has a very strange relationship with honesty. And she has proven herself in the little time she has been in that office to be anything but a public protector that protects Mr. Zuma par excellence.
The office of public protector must be impeccable and devoid of any kind of blemish. The IFP would accordingly have preferred that an inquiry be held into the matter, as the issue raised by the Honourable Chief Whip of the DA in his correspondence to the Speaker in this matter raised issues that we feel, as the IFP, definitely warrant further investigation as regard Advocate Mkhwebane's fitness to hold office.
Our submission is that we do not support the move to destabilize the office of the public protector by removing the public protector on the basis of one matter.
Note, the Speaker of this very House said, in severely criticizing the public protector, her order that the Reserve Bank be stripped of its primary function of protecting the currency seems little more than a personal predilection, wholly unrelated to the improper conduct that she found in this case. Surely that warrants at the very least an inquiry.
On the 25th of October, the committee expressed the view that the request by the DA to institute removal proceedings for the public protector, Advocate Mkhwebane, was politically motivated. From the onset, the DA was the only political party that did not support appointment of public protector after conclusion of a lengthy ad hoc committee process.
The report was adopted to the ANC's favour. The National Assembly also dealt with a report into alleged misconduct by Deputy Public Protector Kevin Malunga. This report looked at allegations that Malunga unlawfully ended an investigation into fraud and irregular expenditure at the Ekurhuleni municipality. That report said such an inquiry was also not necessary. Abra Barbia, SABC News, Parliament.